How to connect CardPointe payment gateway with SnapMenu VoiceAI. Welcome to SnapMenu. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect the CardPointe payment gateway with SnapMenu VoiceAI. You'll learn how to onboard your restaurant, connect CardPointe for secure payment processing, upload your menu, configure your AI voice agent, take customer phone orders, and automatically collect payments through VoiceAI. Let's get started. Open the SnapMenu VoiceAI dashboard. Sign in using your business email address. Review and accept the terms of service, then select Continue. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the verification code to verify your account and begin onboarding. Next, search for your restaurant. If your restaurant is listed online or connected to a Google business profile, search for it and select it from the results. Review the restaurant name, address, phone number, and business details. Once you've confirmed the correct location, continue. If your restaurant isn't listed online, or you don't have a Google business profile, select Fill Details manually. Enter your restaurant name, address, phone number, and the remaining business details, then continue. Now provide a few details about your restaurant. Select your restaurant type. Choose your cuisine. Enter your contact information. Then continue. Next, choose the POS used by your restaurant. If your restaurant already uses an integrated POS such as Square, Clover, Toast, Lightspeed, Quantic, Deja Vu, or another supported provider, you don't need to configure CardPointe during onboarding. For this walkthrough, we'll select SnapMenu AI as the ordering system. This means SnapMenu will manage your restaurant's menu, phone ordering, and order workflow. Now choose your payment gateway. Select CardPointe. Enter your CardPointe merchant ID. Then select Connect. SnapMenu securely validates your credentials and connects your restaurant with CardPointe. Once connected, your restaurant is ready to securely process customer payments through VoiceAI. Next, choose VoiceAI from the available SnapMenu services. Select the VoiceAI plan that best fits your restaurant. Review your subscription details. Complete the checkout process. Once payment is successful, your VoiceAI subscription is activated. Now it's time to add your restaurant menu. If you already have a digital menu, you can upload it during onboarding. SnapMenu supports menu uploads from PDF files, images, spreadsheets, and other supported menu formats. If you don't have your menu ready yet, simply select Skip for now and upload it later. For this walkthrough, we'll upload the restaurant menu. SnapMenu automatically analyzes the menu and imports categories, menu items, prices, descriptions, modifier groups, modifiers, add-ons, and item availability. Once processing is complete, your menu is ready for VoiceAI. Now let's review the synced menu. Open the menu section. Here, you can review your imported menu categories, menu items, prices, item details, and availability. Next, open the modifiers section. Review customization options such as sizes, toppings, sauces, spice levels, add-ons, and item variations. VoiceAI uses this information during customer conversations. For example, when a customer requests extra cheese, no onions, or a different size, VoiceAI automatically checks your Square menu and captures the order accurately. Now let's configure VoiceAI. Open the Voice section. You'll see two tabs, Customer Messaging and Configuration. Start with Customer Messaging. This section controls what customers hear during every phone call. The opening message is the greeting customers hear when VoiceAI answers the phone. For example, "Hi, thanks for calling DJ Pizza Pub. This is Alex, how can I help you today?" Next, review the order confirmation message. This message confirms the customer's order and shares important information, such as the estimated preparation time. For example, your order has been confirmed and will be ready in approximately 30 minutes. Now review the closing message. This is the final message customers hear before the call ends. For example, "Thank you for choosing DJ Pizza Pub. Your order confirmation has been sent. Have a great day." Once your customer messages are ready, open the Configuration tab. Enter the agent name. This is the name customers will hear during conversations. Next, choose your preferred voice model. Preview the available voices and select the one that best represents your restaurant. Then choose the language or languages your customers commonly speak. Under call handling, configure the preparation duration. VoiceAI uses this value to communicate accurate pickup or delivery times after an order is confirmed. Next, review call transfer. Enable call transfer if certain calls should be transferred to your staff. This is useful for catering requests, large orders, special requests, customer concerns, or situations that require human assistance. Now, review order handling. Enable delivery orders if your restaurant accepts delivery through VoiceAI. When enabled, VoiceAI collects the customer's delivery address, contact details, and delivery instructions. Enable delivery transfer if delivery-related calls should go directly to your team. Next, configure off-hours orders. Enable this option if VoiceAI should continue answering calls and accepting orders outside your regular business hours. Otherwise, leave it disabled. Now review payments and confirmations. Enable payment links if customers should receive a secure payment link after placing an order. VoiceAI automatically sends the payment link by SMS. Customers can securely complete payment from their mobile phone. Once payment is completed, the payment status is automatically updated inside SnapMenu. If payment is not completed, the order remains in a pending payment status. Next, enable SMS confirmations. Customers receive their order summary, payment status, pickup time, payment link, and confirmation details by text message. Once everything has been configured, review your settings. Then select Save Changes. Your VoiceAI assistant is now ready. Now let's see VoiceAI in action.
Hello, and thank you for choosing Primavera's Cafe. This is Alex, your dining concierge. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Sadir.
Nice to meet you, Sudhir. Is this for pickup or delivery?
This is for pickup.
Got it, pickup. What can I get started for you today?
I was looking at your menu and I saw you guys have half and half pizzas. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure thing. Our half and half pizzas let you split a pie into two different specialty styles, like half buffalo and half margarita, on either a 16-inch or Sicilian crust. Want to build one today?
Yeah. Can I get a 16-inch, please?
Perfect. A 16-inch half and half. What would you like for the first half?
What options do you guys have for the first half?
For the first half of a 16-inch, you can pick from these options: special, buffalo, veggie, margarita, meat lover, white, vodka sauce, Hawaiian, grandma, old-fashioned, or chicken bacon ranch. Which one sounds good for the first half?
Can I get Hawaiian for the first half, please?
Got it. Hawaiian for the first half. And what would you like on the second half?
Are the second half the same options?
Yep, the second half has the same exact options. What would you like on that side?
Can I get margarita then?
Perfect. So the second half will be margarita. Want to add anything else today?
Yeah. Could you tell me a little bit more about your specialty pastas?
Sure thing. Our specialty pastas are hearty dishes like cavatelli with broccoli, rigatoni with broccoli rabe and sausage, fettuccine primavera, rigatoni veneziana, and capellini alla sposa. Want details on any one of those?
Yeah. Can you tell me what capellini alla sposa is?
Capellini alla sposa is grilled shrimp, tossed with fresh tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil, served over angel hair pasta. Want to add one to your order?
Yeah, I'll take a capellini alla sposa. And then, can you also tell me what desserts you guys have?
Got your capellini alla sposa. And just a heads up, we actually don't have any desserts on the menu. For the pasta, what kind of pasta would you like it served with? You can pick spaghetti, penne, linguine, capellini, rigatoni, or fettuccine.
Can I get penne?
Got it, penny for the pasta. And for the protein add-on, would you like chicken, shrimp, or salmon?
Can I get shrimp?
Perfect. Capellini alla sposa over penny with shrimp. Anything else today?
That's it. Thank you.
Great, let me confirm your order. You've got a 16-inch half and half pizza, Hawaiian on one side and margarita on the other, and a capellini alla sposa served over penne with shrimp. Do you have any special requests?
No, that's all.
Perfect. Let me process your order. It should be ready in about 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing Primaveras Cafe. Have a great day.
In this demonstration, the customer calls the restaurant's dedicated VoiceAI phone number and places an order naturally. VoiceAI answers the call immediately. It understands menu questions, captures menu items and modifiers, confirms the complete order, then sends a secure payment link through your connected CardPointe payment gateway. The customer opens the payment link, reviews the order, completes the payment securely. The payment is processed through CardPointe. Once payment is approved, the order is automatically confirmed. No manual order entry is required. Now let's review what happens after the call. Return to the SnapMenu dashboard. Open the Order Details page. Here, you can review customer information, ordered items, modifiers, add-ons, order totals, payment status, call recordings, conversation transcripts, and complete order history. Because CardPointe is connected, every payment process through VoiceAI is securely handled using your connected CardPointe merchant account. At the same time, SnapMenu gives you complete visibility into every VoiceAI interaction. You can review call recordings, conversation transcripts, payment confirmations, customer activity, order history, and performance insights directly from the SnapMenu dashboard. Your VoiceAI setup with the CardPointe payment gateway is now complete and ready to start serving customers. Thank you for choosing SnapMenu VoiceAI.